morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. It's my second day back to work. Yesterday I had a good day. I learned something last week about something last week, but I had to learn it yesterday. I am a computer technology teacher. I will be teaching students from grades K through 8. The younger people will come to me, or I will see them once a week. And so I became a little anxious as to how I was going to teach them how to get to certain websites that I need them to go to. So I started talking to a friend of mine. And of course, we talked about the Bitmoji classroom. And I was thinking to myself, you know what? I'm retired. I'm not ready to be getting into all this new stuff. I don't even know how long I'm going to be there. But of course, whatever I do, I try to do it right, to the best of my ability, to the glory of God. So that stayed on my mind. And then I was talking to my niece that lives in Florida, and she's an administrator at, I guess, an elementary or a primary facility. I don't know exactly what the name of the educational place is. And I mentioned the Bitmoji classroom. And she was like, oh yeah, I know about that. And she went on and on about it. And she shot me an email, not like my friend Tracy didn't shoot me an email before this. But I took a look at it and she talked to me about it. And I was like, oh, this is great. Because all my kids would have to do would be to click on an image to get to where I want them to go. And that sounds easy enough. Sounded real good. So yesterday, I started preparing my Bitmoji classroom. And if you're a teacher, and if you've not looked into the Bitmoji classroom, you need to do that. Because yesterday, not only do I gain knowledge for myself, but I also try to share it with others. So I started asking people in the primary hall, the teachers, and my principal, if they'd heard about it. So I told them they need to do the research because I think it's going to help the kids greatly. So I may show you a picture of my Bitmoji classroom that I've started. And this is how I'm going to wear my hair today. And notice I'm just taking out some sponge rollers. Nothing special happened. I just rolled it because I wanted some more fullness, and by now I know that's what these sponge rollers are going to do. Yeah. Somebody said to me commented on one of my videos and said, so much hair. Yeah, it grew so fast, and I'm loving it. I am loving it. I'd like to give a shout out to 3 ladies. They are A Dash of Life, Everyday, a Carolina Girl in a Florida World, and one more. I think it's T Love Speaks, for giving me a shout out in their videos. I enjoy your videos as well. And I am so happy to be a part of your family and have you be a part of mine. I'll talk to you guys later. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and I especially love God because I know that because of Him, I experience all these wonderful things in my life. I'm truly blessed. Have a great day.
Next is the train that was carried me.